have been meeting the Home Minister. First meeting today for Delhi, second meeting Shillong, and this is the third meeting. The third meeting in I expect ba he will assure us something. Nagalyang Jong Home Minister. Te kabakam sung si issue galang ba la assure ni ba kata meeting ko bang ni at least minyo ikapol kamba 20 to 25 minutes. And right now la akran tangway but dalam imut ban kran biang yang tem ba kaju issue minyo si bani akran bani debate. So that's fine. And then we expect something from the Home Minister at least. And I hadu bani aru ka meeting we are not satisfied and we are not happy. But we in fact ay garay ba kin pentep lingba kata kaji karan pat badu CM jungi ya kasti jungi. And to be frankly, I mean we are not happy at all. We are not satisfied with this meeting. No comments from the HM. No comments.
The thing is like this.
He has not assured us anything also.
The thing is very plain and simple. That he allow us to make a submission, no doubt. We starting to make a submission on ILP, and when only 2 members are able to speak, he directly say that let's talk. If there is any other issue, then let's talk other issue. But Sadon raised the relevant issue of borders, and Tengzak Moming has raised the issue of languages in there. It's a very relevant issue, no doubt. But the main agenda, which is ILP, he did not give any assurance, he does not give any commitment, and in fact, he does not even say a word. He does not even tell us why there is a delay. He does not even explain to us the stand of the Indian government on this issue. So this is not acceptable. We are very disappointed. This has led the moral of the indigenous people into the state doused once again. And actually we expect better, even after waiting for almost 2 years. Actually we expect better than this, but nevertheless such a thing did not happen. And as Balam said, that we are not happy. This is a big insult to the indigenous people of the state on the whole, and we can't allow that this kind of situation happening again and again in our own state.